What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Radiator from PASSIONBUILT. Today's video is brought to you by MotorPartsSource.com, your online source for high quality used parts for your first or second generation Suzuki SV650. Let's get today's video started. So as stated in the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to test your radiator fan on your second generation Suzuki SV650. This may be something that you want to do if you're troubleshooting your cooling systems and try to decide whether or not your fan has gone bad or one of your sensors has gone bad. This is super simple to do. You need no tools at all. Let's get started. Alrighty, so to get this test started, all we need is just a jumper wire. This jumper wire right here is going to be used to bridge the connection on the radiator fan switch itself. Now, if you don't have any wire lying around to make a jumper wire, you can use a paper clip. It will work just the same. Next step, go ahead and make sure your key is in the off position and we'll be ready to go. Alrighty, so it's time to locate the radiator fan switch. Now this connection is on the right side of the bike on the radiator assembly itself, right underneath the radiator hose. Once you've identified this sensor, you're going to go ahead, pinch the connector on the pigtail of it and pull it right off. Alrighty, so once you've gone ahead and unplugged the connector, you can go ahead and locate the two spots where there was pins before, and you're going to use that jumper cable we were talking about earlier, and you're going to go ahead and pin this jumper cable where those two pins were before and bridge that connection, like so. Once your jumper wire has been set in place, all you need to do is go to your ignition, turn your key to the on position, and your fan should start right up. So let's go ahead and do that. And like so, your fan will immediately turn on. Key off, key on. Alrighty, so to wrap things up, go ahead, remove that jumper wire and plug your connection back in. If your fan turned on during this test, that means your fan is in good working condition. If it didn't turn on, go ahead, put that jumper wire back in place and double check your connection before completely ruling out your fan. These fans can be pricey even in used condition. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys out in some way. If it did, please smash that thumbs up button. Also, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future SV650 related content. And as always, I appreciate you watching my videos. Until the next one, I'll see you then. Peace.